Hi, I'm Molly, and I help people connect with their voice while staying true to themselves. Whether you are an actor keeping on top of their craft, an L2 speaker who's sick of not being understood in the rooms they go into, maybe you're a woman in leadership struggling to take on space, or maybe you're an analyst or an analytical thinker who's brilliant at what you do, but really struggles to find this so-called charisma people are talking about. I can help you with all of these things while staying totally true to you and without faking confidence. Now, I fell into voice coaching, right? I never would have believed anyone if they told me that I'm going to spend half of my time working at top drama school institutions in the world, working with some of the best actors in the world, to then moving into these boardrooms with C-suite professionals and teams that are driving business sales in some of the biggest companies in the world as well. I work with people who are used to being judged by how they sound, and I help them to stop spiraling about it. Whether that's actors who miss having a structure, whether that's an L2 speaker who feels like they need to fix their accent, which you don't, by the way, but they feel like they need to, or leaders who are being told that you lack presence or authority in a space. I've got you. We will use breath, space, body, voice, communication, intention, all of it to try to align your voice with what impact you want to create without changing who you are, without masking, while staying true to your own intentions. So if you want to feel a little bit more like yourself when you speak and create the impact that you deserve, feel free to book in a discovery call that's 50 minutes long to see how I can help you best. I want this to be a space and a working relationship where you feel empowered to use your voice in the way that you want to use it. Whether you're here as an individual looking for one-to-one support, whether you're an actor looking for my quarterly group classes, or whether you're here as part of an organization or a company wanting support that's bespoke to your team, or you want to book me to speak to your team, I look forward to hearing from you.